It is May 18th. This is GranMan of McManus Meadows. I'm standing in what's going to be lane 3, second pass through the bottom 23 acres. I've got a lot of seed heads. I think I would have liked to get on top of those before they all came, but I guess I'm going to have to increase the size of the herd for that. But let's go see if we can see 5503 this morning. Cows are all hanging out over in lane 2. There's one more paddock to go. That'll be later this evening. Well, looks like everybody's here. 5503's nursing. That looks good. Got Morris on my left here. Ginger in 5502, Freezer 5201, JB and Goggles are relaxing. So I'm going to open up the last paddock now. Not sure we're moving fast enough through, but try to speed things up. Millie's cleaning up 5503. Sorry about the wind. Yeah, let's see if they follow me to the move. Well, the herd didn't follow. Moms are doing their job, so I've got the cross wire off and I'm gonna wait, but I think while I'm waiting I'm gonna go check out the posts that I need to pull to set up for lane 3. Well, still setting up. Now I've got the lane completely out and the cows aren't responding to my call. So their heads are down, they're eating. Yeah, I'm gonna go take the rest of the posts out of lane 1, move them over to the other side of lane 3. And we'll keep this, keep things moving here. Well, everybody's on their way for a drink, but they still haven't found the new grass yet. There is the new little heifer. Goggles and Ginger made it first, with JB and Morris not far behind. And here comes Millie and 5503. Well, they've all had their drink. 5503 went under the wire and is a little bit to my left. Mom's paying attention because I'm on this side. Aren't you, Millie? Well, 5503 just laid down in the grass over there. I'm going to stay close to Millie, walk by, and then set up the wire for lane number 3. See if they fall. Well, I'm all the way at the end of lane number 2, and the herd is yet to make it into this last paddock, but Millie's over looking for 5503. Looks like Goggles is on her way. We're gonna find out in a minute. I'll be back if they make it. We've got everything set up in lane 3. Got to nudge out a few things, but we're largely good for second last week of April, or sorry, of May. And yeah, we're gonna be week into June before we move back to the beginning again. And I'll have to assess the middle and upper meadows as well. So looks like Millie's making the turn at the far end. We'll see if 5503 is with her. Here comes Goggles. She's getting really close to the line. Let's watch and see if her head goes down as soon as she comes into this new grass. Yeah, almost. Yeah, there she goes. Here comes the two calves. Freezer's looking pretty good, apart from the ears and the tail. Well, everybody made it. Yeah, so they'll have this for the rest of today, and then tomorrow morning I'll turn them into lane number 3. And yeah, then we'll keep going. Thanks for watching. I may pop back depending on how Millie's doing with 5503. Here comes Millie. She must be thinking I'm missing out on the good stuff. So, and she's smelling 5502. She's looking for her calf. Let's see if she takes a bite to eat. Sure, she's going to follow me all the way back. I'll be back. I'm just looking for 5503. Millie is following me over. I thought he was around here, but I don't see him. There's Millie. Sorry about that. Millie's kind of looking. Oh, there he is. Look at that. Hard to. There he goes. Back to mom. That'll be it for this morning. We're all set up for later. Thanks for watching. It's May 18th. It's a little windy. Hopefully the mic is canceling some of that. We're down here just checking on the water. We're going to move the cows into lane number 3 a little bit later. We'll go check them out. They're all coming to have a drink here, and I'm just setting a couple things up, so stay tuned. Well, we've got 2 of the calves that are taking a quick drink, and I guess that's all 3 if you count, sorry, it's we don't have 5503, but Morris is here. Fly pressure's looking good, so JB's probably the worst, but nobody's terrible. There is 5502. Get that tag in your ear. Freeze. freezer. I'm not sure if you're getting a tag. Trying to get that water. Time to dump that water and then move it over. I don't see 5503, but we'll see if he's around. Well, everybody's coming down. I've got the emergency lane cut off, so got them kind of where I want them, and I'm just going to get my reel and open up this first paddock of lane 3. Hey, goggles. Goggles, Ginger, Freezer, 5502. Millie's pushing everybody around. Well, here we go. Let's go. Goggles. Start of another week. The only thing I'm not sure of is where 5503 is, and wow, Millie, you're looking great. May need to see if they rub up against my birdhouses, and might put something temporary around those. So I'll just roll up this reel and I'll be back. Well, we found 5503 relaxing here. How you doing? Come on. Come on, buddy. See if he runs over and finds Mom. Looks like it. Duck. Oops. He went through that fence. They're all running now. I'll go check that in a second too. Well, I think I've got everything done for now. And I'm just gonna walk through the herd here. There's Millie and 5503 and Morris. Everybody's looking good. There's 5502. She's looking good. It's amazing how big they get and how fast. She's slicked down really nice. Still need to check 5503. There's Ginger and Freezer, Goggles and JB. That'll be it for now. I need to come back later and get the coffee here, so there'll be a little bit more today. Well, I moved the mineral feeder. I don't have my headset, so it might be a little bit noisy. Cows are looking good. Starting off here in lane 3. We'll be back next weekend, heading into lane 4 toward the end of end of May, first week of June, we should be in lane number 5. So looks like 5503 is lying down again somewhere. That's 5502 right there staring at me. Yep, I think that's going to be it for today. It is the evening of May 18th. This is GranMan. Thought I'd come back down and see if we could find 5503. Millie doesn't look too worried about it. She's having some mineral, but I'm gonna go take a little look and see where that calf is. 5502's nursing with Ginger, and 5201 is Freezer over there. Is just hanging out. So let's see. Well, I found 5503. May need to adjust the fence just a little bit lower. Well, we're teaching 5503 to stay in the lines, so I'm gonna just head over. She's with she's over there with Millie. I'll be right back. Time to relax, everybody. Time to relax. Hello, JB. Morris. How are you, buddy? There's 5503 over with Mom. And everybody's doing well. Yeah, that'll be it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm glad I got to see 5503 before the end of the day. There's 5502. 5201. That's the end for today. Thanks for watching. We'll continue to share our journey at GranMan Ranch.